to my channel. In today's video I'm going to cut all of the fuschia down to the ground. I do it every year. I did it last year as well. Because it grows so huge, I actually cut it to the ground because I don't want it to take over everything. Just let me place this in an angle. As you can see, except this branch, look, this branch is just a normal branch. I don't know what's here. As you can see, this is a fuschia bush, and I'm going to cut through the ground. And I may take out this grass because I hate that grass. It just grows really huge and I don't like it. So to cut that, simply you need to make cuttings like that. I do it every year because it grows so huge. I'm a little bit annoyed. I will cut many bees from this. PS, I need to clean that all up and clean that all up and take out this grass.